one time here at the Sun Bowl, what is it, the Sun Bowl? They had the Duke Blue Devils and the Arizona Sun Devils. The two Devils were here. The Blue Devils and the Sun Devils. Remember that?
So pretty. Oh, and this one's up here, being antisocial. Hello, buddy. Also, his claws is right here, and I would like to move it, but I'm scared it's gonna bite me, so I'm not gonna do that. I don't know if birds can bite, but they can. Ah, ooh, jeez. Oh, that's the birds. I think it's a parakeet. I don't know. Look how cool they are. These two are chilling. They're yapping. Hello, birdies. This one's my favorite. They're just chilling on a swing, not caring what anyone thinks. This one's very pretty. I like that one as well. There's this one chilling up there. Look, he's a king. I'm gonna try to get a top view.
I so wish. I so wish that UTEP was.
What's up, chill guy?
I would love to just. Remember the comedian George Carlin? Oh yeah. When he went to the Sun Bowl, he looked over to the Mexican.
This is just a chill guy.
What happened over there?
Yeah, he hasn't moved. No. He's been there all day.
I love that guy.
Yeah, hello, buddy. He's still swinging. He's a good boy. Hello. Hello. Oh, I got them flying. Cool. Oh. I was chilling. What's good?